Like a. You look so stupid. I swear she do. What was that? Oh! See, now there you go. You look like you got some sense. It's trying to leave you out, baby. Don't worry. We finna catch this popping light. Boom. There we go.
I ain't got no popping light, baby.
Oh, you don't, but I do.
It's no lie, no lie. I'm on a natural high.
And she don't have to play. I'm trying to take her home.
Hey lovies, as always, welcome back to my channel and welcome to the newbies. Today we are keeping it pretty simple and we're trying something that I never have tried before, which is just a twist out on dry hair. So a dry twist out and we're gonna see how this bad boy turns out. As you can see, we are not starting on fresh hair. We're starting on pretty old, dirty hair. I think this may have been 4 days after I was rocking it in just a sleek back ponytail. And I just needed a style to change it up for the next day because I had a graduation to go to. So you did see me just go ahead and part off a small section of the hair, just as wide as I wanted my twist. Comb that section out, add a little moisture to it. So I didn't add much to it because I didn't want it to be wet. I wanted something that could dry overnight. That's why I even attempted this in the first place. So go ahead and just continue with the flat twist and then move to the next section. I am going to go ahead and speed it up. If you don't know how to flat twist, I will insert a video of me doing my prior flat twist just so you can get an idea. And yeah, we're just going to go ahead and finish up these twists. The flat twisting process is pretty easy once you get the hang of it. Just take a piece of hair, twist over, take another piece of hair, twist over. It's pretty similar to cornrows, but it's pretty easy to me. Even on my dry hair, the twists do not have to be perfect. You just want the hair detangled well enough so that you won't have problems taking the twist down. Since my hair is dirty, I am trying to make sure that I comb out all the dirt that I can when I'm brushing and combing each section. And at the end of each twist, I'm just adding a bit of that Eco Styler Gold Gel, finishing off the twist and adding a little slight finger coil. So that's how I'm ending each twist, just so that I can try to keep some curl definition at the end since I am doing it on dry hair. Okay, and of course this is the twist when they are finished. I believe I did 3 on each side and maybe 4 or 5 in the back. Not many at all. I did use my black Jamaican castor oil to go ahead and oil my scalp while I have access to it. And then tied it down overnight and went to sleep. Then, of course, next morning they were super dry because we didn't put much product, so it was time to go ahead and take them down. I used olive oil, rubbed it generously all over my hands, and then just got to it. Of course, as I always say, make sure that you are being gentle while taking your twist down. It looks like I'm moving pretty quick just because I sped it up, but I am still being patient and taking my time, allowing the twist to guide me in what direction to separate. So please do that. Listen to your hair, listen to your hair, listen to your hair. Now that all the twists are taken down, we are just deciding on which side to part the hair. Of course, like I said, I always like a deep side part, so I'm going ahead and doing my deep side part, getting my edges on together, and then just going ahead and fluffing with my wide tooth comb to get it as big as I want. honestly was not happy with the turnout of this. It was big, but the definition was lacking as far as what I like from my twist outs. Like I said, I've only ever tried wet twist outs, and you get way more definition as far as I'm concerned. I don't know what I could have done differently to give me more definition. It did turn out great. I'm actually still rocking it, and I definitely thought I would only get at least 1 or 2 days out of this, but this is, I think, the 4th day while I'm still rocking it. But of course, at this point, it isn't a puff. What you see me going in and doing is adding Eco Styler gel to the ends to kind of give it a fake curl. On the parts that didn't have any definition, in my opinion, I went in and added little finger coils as necessary. I didn't do too many, but I did want to make sure that my hair had enough definition for the look that I was going for the day. So like I said, to me it's kind of a fail, but it still turned out pretty. I still got compliments, so we're just gonna roll with it. We are just finishing it up, so add those touching pieces, make sure you have all the definition you want, and then boom, you poppin'. Okay, so this is the finished look. We are headed to a graduation, so we both look kind of cute. This is my little sister slaying with Neek.
Yeah, I'm gonna be on the column soon. Y'all just wait on it.
Yes, Lord. Y'all gonna see how she's getting her little hair slayed. She got way more creative styles than me, so she always be talking about how basic I am, so blah, blah, blah. Anyway, I definitely appreciate you for tuning in. As always, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below. Yes, and thank you so much for watching, and I will see you lovies later.
All
Bye.
that kinky hair don't like no comb. In every twist, every curl, you feel the soul of a happy black girl.